Okay, it's raining. This is the green belt for 4th grade. We have a couple of new concepts though, and I want to talk about that for just real quick. Right here we have what we call eighth notes. And eighth notes, there are 2 beats or 2 notes of attack per beat. The way we count these in elementary music is TT. We haven't done one and. I would have taught that if we had gone on during our class time. I'm not going to worry about that because we're doing this via video. So just know every time you see this, this is TT per beat. So you can see right here where this would be ta, 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 TT, TT, ta, ta. Okay. The other thing that's new this time is going to be E. E is a new note on a recorder. Now this is going to require both hands. All right. So before we were only doing one hand and we were doing like G, A, and B. Now we're going to do thumb on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to add 1, 2 of your left hand, or your right hand, sorry. So you're going to put thumb 1, 2, 3 of your left hand and 1, 2 of your right hand, and it's going to make this E. Now, the lower you go on the recorder, the warmer you have to make your air. So if you blow too hard on this one, it's going to make it go into an upper register. I'm going to go ahead and turn this around real quick so that I can show you what I'm talking about. If you blow too hard, it will pop up into that upper register. So this is E. But if you blow too hard, it goes up and it squeaks in that upper register. So I would suggest that you practice a little bit going from your thumb 1, 2, 3 G and then putting these 2 fingers down at the same time so it will look like this. And then practice going from E to A. So you're going to lift these 2 fingers and then this finger as well. 3 fingers at one time to get from the E to the A. So it's going to look like this. There's a lot of that EA that has to happen in this song. It happens several times and they're fast. That's what your eighth notes are. So those eighth notes are going to look like this. It's going to be E, A, G. And you'll see that whenever we get to that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn this back around and I'm going to count this with you. Okay, let me get this scooted up here. Get everything rearranged. Having to do everything by camera makes it certainly interesting. So be patient with me as I reset here. All right, let's count this together. You're also going to notice a little bit of a new thing. In this measure down here, notice we're in 4/4 time, so there would be 4 beats per measure, each one of these little spaces. Now, down here you have ta, ta-ah, which would be 2 beats, and then a ta, which leaves there's only 3 beats in this measure, and that's because the 4th beat in this measure actually starts the song. So whenever I count this one in, instead of counting in 1, 2, 3, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. Actually, instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. Then you would come in on beat 4 on ta. Okay, so let's try it. We're going to count on ta's, TT's, and ta-ahs. 1, 2, 3. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, 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 ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Let's count that again. 1, 2, 3. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, 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 ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. See, I have this one right here, TT. I'm only tapping my finger once, and there's 2 notes on that each beat. TT. Ti, ti, ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Let's do this one again. This time, instead of just saying the names or saying the tas and tts, we're going to say the note names. Now, E is our new note. E is the bottom line on the treble clef staff. Okay, every good boy does fine. These are the every. Every time you see this note on this bottom line, it is E. All right, so if we're looking at this, we're going to have 1, 2, 3. G, G, E, A, G, E, E, G, E, A, G, E, G, G, E, E, A, G, G, E, E, A, G, 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 E, A, G, E. I hope that you understood what we just did. If you need to practice over that a few times, do it. And what I would suggest you do is go back, rewind the video, and go through me saying the names of those notes and finger along as you're doing it. So it'd be like G, G, E, A, G, E. See what I'm doing? And I would finger along with that. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to turn this around and I'm actually going to play this for you a few times so that as you get the notes figured out and the fingers figured out, you can hear what it's actually supposed to sound like. Let me turn this up here. Turn it around. And back it up so we can all see each other. Well, you can see me, but I can't see you. Which is really sad, by the way. I wish we could all see each other. All right, here we go. It's raining. And I'm going to count in as 1, 2, 3, ta, ta. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this time I'm actually going to go just a little bit slower so that you can play along if you would like to try to play along. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now, after you've rewound the video and practiced that several times and you can start speeding it up, ultimately you want the song to be able to go at a tempo that you could sing along with. So I'm going to do the last time for this video. I'm going to play this one at a tempo that would be good, like if you were singing along with somebody. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Keep practicing.